Hello everyone, it's Sophony Admin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to show you how I did these beautiful beach curls. And let's get started. Bye! So what I'm gonna do is take a small or medium section of hair, about this much, and I am going to take my curly wand, flipping the hair and wrap it around the curly wand. And you want to make sure you curl the hair away from your face. The hair I am wearing is Brazilian straight hair. The length that I have is 20, 22, 24, and the closure is 18. And the hair is from Aliexpress. I love these bouncy gorgeous curls. Oh my gosh, look at this. Ooh. This style is super easy, but you have to be extra careful with your face and your hair. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button down below and subscribe if you haven't already for more tutorials. want the curls to look perfect, as I mentioned earlier, I am doing beach curls, so I am running my finger through the hair to make it kind of crazy looking. And next I am going to back comb the hair to give me some volumes because I don't want the curls to look flat and boring. I am using some Got to Be Glue hairspray to hold the curls.